How to use two WhatsApp account on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use two WhatsApp accounts on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So as we all know, WhatsApp only supports a single account of a single number. So if you want to use multiple accounts on your single device, this is how you do it. For that, you will need another app called WhatsApp Business. So the app is this one right here. You can easily get it from your app store. Open up your app store, head over to the search bar, search for Business WhatsApp. And after you search for that, you should find the app right here. Just download the app and open it up. After you open it up, you'll then need to agree to the terms and conditions, and then just choose a different number. Just type in your number here, and after you type your number in here, all you then have to do is tap on next and go through with the login process, and you're good to go. And that is how you can use two WhatsApp account on a single phone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.